How can we become wise? What does it take to build a good moral character? And why is there so much suffering in life? Can we make sense of it? Can we find meaning in life? Can we know God, the highest reality? Hi, my name's Owen Anderson. I'm a professor of philosophy and religious studies at Arizona State University, and I've been pursuing these kinds of subjects and teaching them at ASU for 24 years. I'd like to invite you to go on that journey with me of asking these philosophical questions and looking for answers to them. On my channel, I provide you with interesting course content and lectures, as well as interviews with fascinating people, and we discuss these exact kind of questions. In the description for this video, I'm going to put a link for my Patreon account where you can support my work and also get engaged with it and even help create it. You can ask me whatever philosophical question you'd like to know. I'm also going to put a link to my Amazon author page. And there you'll find all my books listed, but I think you'd especially like to start with the one called The Beginning of Philosophy. In that book, I go over where philosophy begins and how philosophy can help us become wise.